Alright guys, here it is. This is Luxor wire wheels here, straight out of Compton. I'm going to show you a real quick unboxing of what they look like, straight out the box. FedEx just delivered, so let's go ahead and check this out. And there it is, Luxor, straight Compton there, all chrome. There's the size out here, 14 by 7s. See it, but it's there somewhere. Alright, let's go ahead and get started here. This is a box I've already unboxed here. Couldn't wait, so I had to do that real fast. Let's check it out here. Boom, boom, there it is. Yeah, this is a 72 stroke, I believe, all chrome. Looks pretty good to me here. Yep, got a good deal on it. I think I paid about maybe 8 something for them. Free shipping, so it's not a bad deal there. Check it out, it's pretty shiny there. Let's see how they hold up though, against all the weather and rain here in Cali. Alright, so I've already got these guys started too. This is probably the knockoffs and the, what do you call it? All the other accessories and stuff. So let's check it out. So what is this here? Okay, these are the adapters here. Okay, right here. Left and right, got them both there. Got the red and the white. There we go. Let's see if they look different than any other ones. Oh, they are a little different. Got this little, oh wait, no, it's just a little protector there. A little mesh. Got some edge there. There we go. It's just so they don't get banged up during shipping. Look good. Looks normal, I guess. Okay. Looks pretty good. So we got that in that box there. So let's go and check out this other box here. This is probably here, the little, what do you call the little pieces there in the center? A little chip. Some people call them chips. Other people call them emblems. Whatever. It's all the same thing. All right, here we go. Oh, cool ones. I got the black ones here, black and chrome. It's gonna look cool there because my cars are white. All right, so let's see what's over here in this box. Ooh, that's a tough one there. I'm gonna have to get something to bust that open with. Let's see here if I can do it with one hand. Ooh, maybe not. But let's see here. Where do I have my little knife at? I had a knife here somewhere. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. All right, so I found something here, a little tiny thing. Let's see how this works. Okay. There we go. There we go. All right. Ooh. Package is stuff pretty tight here. Oh. Okay. There we go. It says right. So I'm wondering, oh, these are the knockoffs then right here. The right side. Okay, so let's see what these knockoffs here look like. Alright. And this is going to be all chrome also, because I got the all chrome wheels here. Alright. Oh, there we go. Zenith style. That's what I like here. My last wheels were from OG wire wheels. I was going to get some of those, but I decided I want to try something different this time. And this one had a Zenith look, so that's why I went with these. Check it out. Ooh, they look just like Zenith. Cool. All right. Yeah, I don't know how that works, but I guess when I put them on, we'll see. It's cool though. All right. And I'm going to get the chip out over here so we can get that up close up. Okay. Oh. Not very easy doing this with one hand. Let's see what we can do here though. There we go. Okay, we got this thing going. Alright. Yeah, little tool there to take those off. Okay. There we go. Cool. There it is. So let's see what that looks like up there. Just like that. Yeah, looks like it's going to be popped up a little bit there. I don't think it's going to sit flush because of the real thick 3M sticker there in the back. I remember watching a video on YouTube. Somebody, I guess, was doing a review on these and they said the same thing. They didn't like that, but you can't really tell when they're sitting, on the wheels like this. So So it's looking real cool regardless. There we go. Cool. Yep. Alright. And I'm assuming the rest of the box inside here is, you know, the rest of the knockoffs. Yep. Right here, left and rights. Alright. Let's go ahead and take these out of the box here and see what that looks like. Alright. What we got here? Okay. Let's see here. Alright. There we go. There's the doggy there. The guard dog. Alright, there we go. Looking pretty shiny there. I wanted to go with the 72 spoke here because it kind of reminds me of the true spokes, you know, the ones with the bolt-ons. There we go. Looks cool. Looking old school with these. I got the 100 spoke ones already, but you know, they just seem like a lot of work to get them all cleaned up. So I thought I'd give these a try. You know, who knows, maybe they're easier to clean up. But anyhow, that's it right there. Don't want to make this video too long, but I hope you liked it. Cool. Later.